Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Desk. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened on a flat note and buying momentum for most part of the trading session led index to close in positive territory. Nifty closed around 9174 with gain of 30 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a bullish candlestick pattern forming higher halo formation compared to previous session, indicating positive bias. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, index continue to form higher top higher bottom formation indicating sustained uptrend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 9180 levels, then it may witness further strain towards 9210 to 9240 levels. On the downside, immediate intraday support zone is around 9140 level. However, any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 9100 level. Nifty continued to sustain above its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any correction towards major support zone will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory, indicating sustained strength. Some positive bias stock for the day are GAIL, Jubilant Food, Ramco Cement and Adani Enterprises, whereas some negative bias stock for the day are BHEL, IGL and Tata Steel. Moving to the USD INR technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD INR opened on a flat note and it has remained lackluster movement within 65.18 to 65 level throughout the session. It has closed around 65.09, losing 0.06%. On the daily chart, USD INR has formed a doji candlestick pattern which represents indecisiveness at current level. Whereas on the daily as well as on weekly chart, USD INR continue to form lower top lower bottom formation indicating sustained downtrend. Currently, USD INR is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment. For the day, we expect USD INR to trade with a negative bias and below 65.05 levels, it may witness further selling pressure towards 64.80 to 64.60 level. On the higher end, 65.20 will act as a immediate intraday resistance zone. Any violation of this resistance zone will cause some pullback rally towards 65.40 level. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory and they are quoting below 50 mark, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.